Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to be trying and testing out a hot new hair tool that has garnered lots of attention and lots of reviews online, and I personally have been loving it too. I have been using it for a while. It is the Hot Tools Professional 24 Karat Gold Charcoal Infused One-Step Blowout Styling Tool. That's quite a mouthful. So I have washed my hair, towel dried my hair and let it dry out like 60%, and I'll be trying out this tool with you to see the kind of results for you to decide whether this is the right tool for you. I personally love this tool because of all the hair tools that I have, and I'm not talking about my hair irons, I'm talking about the blowout tools. This is the only one that I have discovered that gives me the closest result to a salon blowout. Let's try this out and let's put this to the test. But before doing that, I wanted to briefly touch upon a few features which you need to know before you make that investment. First of all, if you are living outside the US, you will need a voltage converter. And if you need some recommendations, leave me a comment below and I will let you know which voltage converter goes best with this particular tool. Now, like I said, this is a 24 karat gold charcoal infused. So the base of the tool is a 24 karat gold, which is instrumental in dispersing even amount of heat. So basically it just keeps the temperature consistent throughout so that you don't have any hot spots. Now these bristles are basically charcoal infused and these are really high quality boar bristle. What I have seen is that these bristles will not snag at your hair. They will just give you a very smooth glide without snagging at your hair. And that is why I really like this product, because the bristles are really high end. And the other feature is that the tool has the iron technology, which will completely either eliminate your frizz or reduce the frizz on your hair considerably. Now it has these three temperature settings, cool, low and high. Now I usually go with the high setting because that gives me the perfect results. This tool retails at $74 on the Hot Tools website. Now the other feature is that it has an 8-foot long swivel cord. So without much ado, let's put this tool to the test. And make sure you use a high quality thermal protection spray. I use the one by Balmain, especially if you're using the high temperature settings. So I have sectioned out my hair, I have put on the thermal protection spray, and I'm going to take a small portion of my hair just to show you how this works, just for you to see the result initially, and then I will quickly zip through the video because it can be pretty noisy. So I'll just zip through the video and then I will be back with the final result so you can see the before and after results. Alright, let's get started. I usually prefer an outward curl. You could go in for whatever you prefer. So this is how the curl comes out. As you can see, it completely eliminated the frizz and just gave me that smooth, bouncy texture. It really does impart a salon-like blowout effect. There's no doubt about that. I really like it. Alright, so let me finish the rest of my hair and I'll be back. Alright guys, so you can see this is the result that I got with the Hot Tools One-Step Blowout. I'm pretty impressed with it. Why? Because first of all, I'm not very good at blow drying my own hair with a blow dryer and a round brush. I'm not as ambidextrous. I don't think I can perfect a blowout with a blow dryer and a brush. I'm not good at it, so I think this is a very versatile product in that sense. And second is because it's for all hair types. And even if you feel that you have really curly hair, I still think it'll do a good job. My hair is pretty thick and wavy, and I think it really tamed it down and gave me a really nice result. The other thing that I forgot to mention that is really a cool feature about this is that I find that with this tool, my blowout remains intact at least for 2 days. But you have to make sure that you are using the right hairstyling products and the right hair care products in order to get the complete results. I did do a video on my favorite hairstyling products. I will link it up here, as well as my favorite hair care products, which I will also link. So you can go and take a look at those videos to see if those are the products that best suit your hair type. The other thing that I've almost forgot to mention is that this is pretty lightweight. It is not as heavy as your conventional hair dryers are. So it is pretty lightweight, and it gives you a good solid grip, so you will not be fumbling around too much. I really like this product. I think it has been the best launch of 2019, and if your hair is really in a bad shape, you can still smoothen out the edges with the hair iron after you're done with this, which just takes a few seconds. So I personally don't need to do that because I'm able to get the salon results just with this single tool. And I like that bit of wave, a little bit of a curl, and you can customize a style if you're really good at blow drying. And if you're a professional yourself, you will be able to get professional results. So you'll be able to style your hair as you would professionally. The only thing is that you will not be able to customize the barrel because the barrel is just one size. But besides that, I think it is a pretty good investment. I think I'm so happy that I made this investment. It is completely worth the cost. But just make sure that if you're outside the US, you need to get a voltage converter, otherwise the tool may just malfunction. So yeah guys, that was my honest review of the Hot Tools 24 karat charcoal infused one-step blowout. Oh my god, that's such a mouthful. But I will link the product in the description box below so you can go check it out and see for yourself if this is a tool that you would want to invest in. Alright guys, if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to the channel so that you are updated of my future uploads. Alright guys, thank you for watching, thank you for dropping by. I do really appreciate your time, and I will see you very soon in my new video coming up next week. Bye for now.